recording it, but I wasn't. So left hand one here, the 7 wasn't a fraction, so I put it over 1. I got a common denominator of 6. So this one going from 3 to 6 was doubling, so I had to double the top line. 2 to 6 is multiplying by 3, so I multiplied the top line by 3, and 1 to 6 is 6 times, so I multiplied the 7 by 6. 2 times 5x is 10x, 3 in the y is 3y, and 6 sevens are 42. I multiplied everything by 6, which basically just took out all my bottom lines, my common denominators, and I'm left with 10x minus 3y equals 42. On this side, I put the minus 1 over 1 common denominator, is 5. Here it wasn't changing, so I didn't change the top line. Here 1 got multiplied by 5, so I had to multiply the minus 1 by 5. I then multiplied everything by 5, and that got rid of these, and I was left with x plus 2y, and 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. So now I'm going to put them two together, so I have 10x minus 3y equals 42, and x plus 2y equals minus 5. What do I want to do? Bottom line by minus 10. So the top line is 10x minus 3y equals 42, and the top line is minus 10x minus 20y equals 50. They're gone, and I have minus 23y equals 92. Alright, move that down a bit. So we're dividing by minus 23 here, dividing by minus 23 here, and you get y equals minus 4. Okay, so that's my y. And then take either equation. So I'll take the top one, 10x minus 3y equals 42, and sub in my minus 4. So 10x minus 3 times minus 4 equals 42. 10x plus 12 equals 42. 10x equals 42 minus 12. So 10x equals 30. And then divide both sides by 10. So x equals 3. So that's what I got. And then the second one, Aidan has x euro. Bashir has 4.5 times as much as Aidan. So Aidan is x. Bashir is 4.5 times, so 4.5x. And Charlie has 20 euro more than Aidan and Bashir combined. So Aidan and Bashir combined is going to be x plus 4.5x, and then he has 20 euro more, so plus another 20. So that's 5.5x plus 20. Okay, so A, write an expression for Bashir's amount of money. I have that there, 4.5x. Write an amount of Charlie's money in terms of x. Have that done as well. Charlie is 5.5x plus 20. Aidan, Bashir and Charlie have 130 euro altogether. Use this information to form an equation. So Aidan plus Bashir, sorry, I don't know how that evolved into Bashir. Bashir, pronounce it correctly, plus Charlie, who's 5.5x plus 20 equals 130. What's this? 5.5 plus 4.5 plus 1. 4.5, 5.5 and 1 is 11. X plus 20 equals 130. D is solve it. So I minus the 20 minus the 20. So 11x equals 110, and then I divide by 11. Oops. So x is 10. Okay, and then E is how much money does each boy have? So who was A? Aidan. So Aidan had X, which means he just has €10. Bashir had 4.5 times X, so he has €45. And Charlie had 5.5 times X plus 20. So he had 55 plus 20, which means he had €75. Okay. Hope you got on okay with them.